Hello children, let us see the continuation of the lesson Basic Geometrical Ideas. The next point, curve. What is curve? Any drawing, straight or non-straight, done without lifting the pencil may called a curve. So, line is also a curve when without using ruler. ಸೊ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಕ್ರರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲನ್ನು ಬಳಸದೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ವಕ್ರರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಕ್ರರೇಖೆಯು ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಛೇದಿಸದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ವಕ್ರರೇಖೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವಕ್ರರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. There are two types in curves. One is closed curves and open curves. If any two ends of the curves are joined, such curves are called closed curves. Examples we can see in these curves. The two ends of the curves are joined. These type of curves are called closed curves. And the ends of the curves does not join are called open curves. So, ಎರಡು ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. And a closed curve we can see three parts. First one is interior, second one exterior, and third one boundary of the curve. What is interior? So that is inside the curve. Exterior means outside of the curve. So boundary means on the curve. On the curve. So in this figure we can see a closed curve. So in this the point A is represent the interior of the curve. And this point C is in the exterior of the curve and B is on the curve or boundary of the curve. So on the next, the interior of a curve together with its boundary is called the region. So interior andre inside of the curve and boundary line is togetherly we called is a region. The next, polygons. A simple closed figure entirely formed by line segments is called polygons. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ರೇಖಾಖಂಡಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆವೃತ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. In these examples we can see the polygons. We can draw different shapes of polygons using different line segments. Parts of a polygons. So polygons alli yavyava parts barutte. So first one, sides. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. So line segments polygon alli iruvanta line segments na ನಾವು sides ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In this the figure ABC. So in this the sides is nothing but a line segment. So the sides AB, BC and CA is the sides of the polygons. Vertices of polygons. The meeting point of a pair of sides of polygon is called its vertex. Here the figure ABCDE. So this is one of the polygon. In this, here the points A, B, C, D and E are the vertices of the following figure. Next part, adjacent sides. What is adjacent sides? Any two sides which have a common vertex are called adjacent sides. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ABCDE, the sides AB and the side BC are the adjacent sides because B is the common point of the side AB and the side BC. So another one adjacent side is ED and DC is the adjacent sides because D is the common point of the line segment DE and DC. Okay children. And the next, adjacent vertex. What is mean by adjacent vertex? The end points of the same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. So in this the same figure ABCDE, the side AB. So in this the side AB, the end point is A and B. So the point A and B is the adjacent vertices of the polygon, and the side ED, here the end points is E and D. So the adjacent vertices is E and D. And the next part is diagonals. What is mean by diagonals? The line segment joining two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon is called its diagonals. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದರ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗದೆ ನಾನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ for the AB side, the non-adjacent vertex is C or D. So for these 3 points we can join. So A vertex is joined with the vertex C. So this is the diagonals of the polygon. So another example we can see, the point B is joined with the point D. This is also one of the diagonals. And the point C is joined with the non-adjacent vertex E. So these are also one of the, and the point A and D is also one of the diagonals. Okay children, I hope you understood the parts of the polygons, that is what is sides, what is vertices and diagonals, adjacent sides and adjacent vertices. Let us see the exercise. So exercise 4.2, the first question, classify the following curves as first one open, second one closed. So they given 5 curves. In this we have to classify which one is open curve and which one is closed curve. In this the first curve A, it is a English alphabet letter Z. So in this the 2 end points are not joined. So this curve is belongs to a open curve. And the next curve B, the end points are joined. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ curve open ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So this curve is belongs to a closed curve. And the figure C, so here also the end points are not joined. So this belongs to a open curve. And the D and E is a closed curve because the ends of the line segments is joined. So in this the figure AC is belongs to a opened curve and the curve BDE belongs to a closed curve. Second question, draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. First one, open curve. So you draw any open curve. So let's see. I will draw one open curve figure. Draw. The second one, B, closed curve. So draw a closed curve. Okay. The third question, draw any polygon and shade its interior. Children, you know what is a polygon and its a part interior. So I have drawn one polygon shape and shade its interior. So interior means inside of the polygon shape. So inside, so interior we have to shade. So shade now. Okay. And the fourth one question, consider the given figure and answer the questions. So consider the given figure. They given one figure for this. For this figure, we have to answer the questions. First, A question, is it a curve? So this figure is a curve, children? Yes, because we can draw this curve without lifting a pencil. So it is a curve. Yes, it is a curve. And the question B, is it closed? So answer, so the end of the curve is closed. It's a joining. So idellu kuda bittogilla antandre join agide. So it is a example of closed curve. And the next fifth one question, illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. So the first one, question A closed curve that is not a polygon. So ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್. ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕರ್ವು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್. ನಾವೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಬಿ, ಎನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್? ನೋ, ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ angles. Children, what is angles? The joining of two rays having a common end point is called an angle. So consider one a ray that is OA and another ray OB. So here the joining of two rays OA and OB, only one common end point, that is O. So in this we can see for these two rays O is a common point. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು angles ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ AOB ಆರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ BOA. ಆಂಗಲ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. So in these arms of the angle or sides. So ಏನು arms ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the rays that form an angle are called sides or arms. So ಎರಡು ರೇನ ನಾವು ಅದರ arms ಅಥವಾ sides ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In this OA and OB are the sides of angle. And the vertex of an angle. What is vertex? The common end point of two rays that form an angle and is called its vertex. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು vertex ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the ray AO and OB is a two ray. In this O is a common vertex and also it is an angle. So it is represented as a AOB or angle BOA. And an angle divides the plane into a three parts. So angle allu kuda navu three parts na nodbodu, such that interior and exterior and on the angle. So consider the figure AOB, and in this part we called as interior, and this we can say as the exterior, and the line or on the angle, these we can say as a on the boundary or on the angle. So interior, so interior, in this the point P represents the interior and the point Q represents the exterior. On the boundary, the point S, we can say the boundary of the angle or on the angle. We will take the next diagram, that is the ray PQ QR. In this we can see the point X is the interior of the angle and the point Z is exterior of the angle and the point S is on the angle PQR. So S means on the angle or boundary of the angle.